Sandwich fan, Sandwich Dad here. Hey, there's been a sandwich going around the internet. First it was a video by Chef Marco Pierre White. Anchovies, shallots, sourdough, some parsley, some butter, his simple, perfect sandwich. I thought it looked pretty good, but then I saw 10 fish reviews make this exact sandwich, and I couldn't resist. I am going to put this all together and see how it tastes. First, the sourdough bread. I didn't go too fancy on the bread, just a loaf of artisan sourdough from the local co-op. I'm going to slice a couple of thick slices, and we'll get those on the toast. While we wait for that, we'll wipe the crumbs off the board and slice up a shallot as fast as we possibly can, thinly as we possibly can as well. Loosen up all of the pretty little rings, and then we're also going to dice some parsley. Bread is toasted, still nice and warm. We're going to put some nice butter on there. It should be thickly spread and slightly melted, so I think we've achieved that. Next, on to the anchovies. I've got millionaire anchovies. They're my favorite just for this saying, fish, she is very small. So we will take the small fish and put them thusly onto our bread. I suppose you could just lay them flat diagonally on the toast, but I chose to kind of pile mine on a little bit. Then we take our thinly sliced shallots, and we're going to sprinkle those all around like so. Okay, and next, a little bit of parsley. Now, Chef Marco Pierre White used sort of looked like a microgreen parsley. This is just flat Italian parsley, chopped, and there it is. Simple, only 5 ingredients, but according to the chef, 5-star flavor. Or is it 3-star flavor? Are we talking Michelin? I don't know. But here's the sandwich and the dad, so let's pick this up, get a nice closer look at it. It does look pretty beautiful, doesn't it? Crisp, buttery bread, some salty anchovies, pungent onion, nice clean parsley. I think this is going to be quite good, but only one way to find out. Taste test. Yeah, this is absolutely fantastic. Took my breath away a little bit. My goodness. It's exactly as was described in the video, I have to say. You get the warm toast and the butter, followed by the bite of the onion, the pungency and saltiness of those anchovies, and then the freshness of the parsley comes through and kind of washes it all away for the next bite. Absolutely wonderful. I keep saying onion, I mean shallot. One thing that Chef Marco Pierre White didn't do that 10 Fish Reviews did was drip some of the oil onto the bread afterwards. Let's see if that gives a little improvement to the flavor, although improving on this will be challenging. So let's try again. Yeah, that is absolutely it. Highly recommend putting some of the oil on it as well. This is an absolutely beautiful little snack sandwich, little light lunch. There is a 100% chance I will be making this sandwich again for a little snack sandwich. I think I will lay them flat next time. I think that's definitely the way to go, but as I wipe the grease from my chin here, I am very happy with this lunch. Marco Pierre White's Anchovy Simple Sandwich, Sandwich Dad. Good day!